Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add draw.io diagrams to Confluence. Well, the first thing I want you to do is come here to the left hand panel and click here on apps, and from this drop down click on explore more apps. We first need to get the draw.io app. You should actually see it here under the spotlight. If not, you can just search it up. Just click here on draw.io and we will go ahead and get this app for ourselves on Confluence. Just click here on try it free as such, and then we need to proceed with this. So we'll first need to select a site and edition. So we'll come here, we'll just use the advanced one, or you can also use a standard one as well. Just select your site. I only have one right now, so I'll use that one. And then you just come here, click on review and install. So you just review everything. You can try for free, and then it will charge you $37 a month after your free trial. And once you're happy with it, you can click here on start free trial. And now, as you can see, it is currently being installed to Confluence. There you go. The app has been added. And now you can actually just go ahead and open up a new page. So you can create a new page, or you can do this on your existing workflow. Now just come here and click on the page and press // type in a draw. And as you can see, we can insert a new draw.io board, a new draw.io diagram, or you can embed an existing draw.io diagram. Now, if we click on this one, you get multiple different options as well. Let's wait for this app to load. You can use among your recent diagrams. You can search it up. Okay. You can use it from your Google Drive, OneDrive, GitHub, or you can even upload one as well from a URL, or even do a CSV import. To use options such as Google Drive, you'll need to first provide access to Google Drive to your account in Confluence. I'll just go ahead and insert a draw.io diagram, a new one. So click on this one, and then you can go ahead and even pick from different templates that are actually available. So you can see there are different categories as well. So let's pick one from network. And whatever you're happy with, you can just go ahead and select it as such. And then all you need to do is click here on create, and it would begin inserting that diagram into Confluence for you. So once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and publish it as such, and it would go ahead and save. Of course, everything here is editable. And once that is done, as you can see, the diagram has been added to Confluence. So that is how you add a draw.io diagram to Confluence.